Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best automotive thermometer is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked gadgets for any car owner, providing crucial real-time temperature readings that can help you monitor your engine's health, prevent overheating, and ensure optimal performance, especially during extreme weather conditions or long drives, making it an indispensable tool for proactive vehicle maintenance and peace of mind on the road. Number 5. Etekcity Lasergrip 1080 Infrared Thermometer. Measure temperatures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1130 degrees Fahrenheit in just 0.5 seconds. It even shows you the maximum temperature recorded, making it perfect for any heat-related task. This infrared technology lets you measure surfaces above boiling and below freezing. Use it for cooking, HVAC, pet care, and so much more. Achieve precise readings on various surfaces with its adjustable emissivity range. Simply hold the up and down buttons to fine-tune the settings for your specific needs. With a 12:1 distance-to-spot ratio, it accurately measures targets from afar, ensuring your safety when dealing with potentially hazardous objects. For best results, maintain a distance of about 14 inches. It includes a backlit LCD screen with Fahrenheit-Celsius conversion, a 15-second auto-off to save battery, and a low battery indicator, so you're always ready to go. What we like. This one offers an incredibly wide temperature range, perfect for almost any task. If you're looking for a versatile tool that can handle everything from cooking to HVAC, this is a solid choice. Its adjustable emissivity ensures accuracy across different materials. What people say. This particular model has 3 buttons, the display can be dark or light, the laser can be on or off and still operate, and you can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit from a push of button. It works accurately, and how is able to determine that, was using other equipment that I know keeps temperatures accurately. The laser pinpoints a small target area to measure precisely, while drifting the thermo back and forth in an area, without the laser on, will give a general temperature for the area, not a specific part of it. Number 4. Etekcity 774 Infrared Thermometer. This device uses infrared technology to measure various objects, both at home and outdoors. It's perfect for cooking, automotive use, and even checking refrigerators. With its 12:1 distance-to-spot ratio, you can accurately measure temperatures from a comfortable distance. For the best results, position it about 14 inches away from your target. Just scan the surface, pull the trigger, and get your temperature reading instantly. The bright LCD display shows your result in less than half a second, with a range from -58 to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. It features a large, backlit LCD screen, making it easy to read temperatures even in low light conditions. Plus, it comes with batteries, so you can power it up right away. This tool displays real-time temperatures based on the average of the measured surface area. It also includes a maximum temperature display for added insights. What we like. This model is specifically highlighted for its ease of use in cooking applications. If you're a home cook, baker, or griller who needs quick and reliable temperature checks for food, this is the one for you. The bright LCD makes it easy to read even in a busy kitchen. What people say. It's super easy to use, just point and pull the trigger, and you get a reading almost instantly. These typically have a wide temp range and fast response time, which makes them useful for everything from automotive work to cooking or general diagnostics. This Etekcity infrared thermometer has been a really helpful gadget in my kitchen. It is affordable, simple to use, and so far it seems accurate for what I need, especially for checking oven and pan temperatures. Number 3. Kizen Infrared Temperature Gun LP300. Achieve perfect results every time by knowing the exact temperature of your cooking surfaces. This device ensures accuracy for everything from pizza ovens to griddles. Beyond the kitchen, it's perfect for a wide range of uses. Check oven temps, monitor engine heat, or use it for HVAC projects with confidence. Get immediate temperature readings with a simple trigger pull. It's ideal for cooking, baking, and even crafts like candle making. The large, backlit display makes it easy to read temperatures, even in dim lighting. It's ready to go with included batteries. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, it offers high accuracy for HVAC, automotive, and culinary tasks. Please note, it's not for human body temperature. What we like. Designed with professionals in mind, this thermometer boasts high accuracy for demanding tasks. If you work in HVAC, automotive, or professional cooking and require precise measurements, this tool is indispensable. Its specialized features cater to expert needs. What people say. The Kizen gun is an absolute necessity for anyone serious about cooking, grilling, or home maintenance, and it delivers on every single promise. It's truly a point-and-shoot device. You simply aim the laser pointer and pull the trigger. The temperature reading is instantaneous and remarkably accurate, removing all the guesswork from surface heat measurement. The non-contact feature is brilliant, especially when dealing with dangerous heat, no more awkwardly holding probes over a scalding hot grill or deep fryer. Number 2. UEI Test Instruments PDT 650 Folding Pocket Digital Thermometer. This device is designed for simplicity. Its user-friendly interface makes operation straightforward for everyone. Crafted for durability, this tool is built to withstand demanding conditions. You can rely on its robust construction for long-term performance. Featuring true RMS technology, it ensures precise readings across all applications. Get reliable data no matter the situation. It measures temperatures from -58 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, -50 to 300 degrees Celsius. This wide range covers most of your needs. The folding temperature probe makes it compact and easy to store. Plus, the built-in magnetic mount allows for hands-free use. This product is proudly manufactured in China. What we like. This thermometer prioritizes durability and ease of use with a practical folding probe and magnetic mount. If you need a no-fuss, reliable tool that's easy to store and attach to surfaces, this is a great option. It's ideal for quick checks in various environments. What people say. Its folding probe design makes it safe to carry in a pocket without worrying about damage or accidental stabs. I'm impressed by the large, easy-to-read display and the impressive temperature range that handles everything from sub-zero freezers to high-heat ovens. The built-in magnet is a brilliant addition, allowing for hands-free monitoring on metal surfaces. Battery life is great, I've used it for about 6 months and still on the original battery. Magnet back makes it easy to stick to registers. Battery lasts very long time and is easy to replace. Number 1. Klein Tools ET10 Digital Pocket Thermometer. Get fast and accurate temperature readings with this digital thermometer. Its compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go use. The magnetic base allows for effortless attachment to vents, keeping your hands free. This feature is incredibly convenient for HVAC work. Measure temperatures from -40 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit or -40 to 300 degrees Celsius. It handles a broad spectrum of applications. Easily view readings even in dimly lit environments thanks to the bright, backlit display. It also features an auto power-off function to save battery. This device offers max min, hold, and average functions for comprehensive data tracking. The stainless steel probe is also FDA GRA compliant. Easily switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius measurements to suit your needs. It's designed for simple and intuitive operation. What we like. With its clear backlit display and useful max-min hold functions, this thermometer is excellent for low-light conditions and detailed tracking. If you're in HVAC or need to monitor temperature fluctuations over time, this tool provides the clarity and features you need. The magnetic attachment adds convenience. What people say. Tool works great for HVAC work, reading temperature drop when the registers are in the ceiling with the magnet version is super easy. Backlight is helpful in darker rooms as well. Came ready to use. Easy to use, especially with the magnet end on it. Accuracy is very good. Compact, making it easy to store and case protects the probe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.